Welcome to the Think Big Minute, Employees Pick, highlighting interesting jobs picked by the Think Big team. Ever stop and admire the historic architecture of our cities? It's amazing that our structures are kept up so well. My name is Steve, and I'd like to highlight a Think Big solution that assisted in the upkeep of historic structures in the Northeast area. A building erected in the early 1900s started experiencing a loss of bricks. Extreme environmental conditions lead to the freeze-thaw cycle of brick, resulting in the loss of brick adhesion to a structure. The customer wanted a solution to maintain the structure, but had concerns about a repair that didn't match. Our Think Big solution not only repaired and sealed exposed areas, but also color matched the existing brick and mortar. Taking the old and making it new, while maintaining the original elements of the structure, was our goal. And I'd say we achieved just that, but you be the judge. That's all for today's Think Big Minute. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Think Big Thursdays. Lastly, feel free to leave questions below.